Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error code 0x80070002 0x20000 when opening media creation tool here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to use any VPN tool, okay? So you can use any VPN by installing it and searching and downloading it here. I mean, download and install any VPN that you would prefer here in your Windows or computer and connect your computer to it. And once you have successfully connected to any VPN, try to run your Windows Media Creation tool again. In my case, I don't have such error, but in your case, if you have such, which is the main goal of this video, and that is to fix the such. You just have to use any VPN, and once your computer is being connected to it, try to open your Windows Media Creation tool again. Click on yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay, and wait until you are being redirected to this media creation tool. Okay, so it's now being worked. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.